I just pulled up on your address. Girl, you always ask me mad.
I think a Shelby's the next move. Everyone's getting Shelby's. Shelby or not?
Keep it SZT, Alex.
The Super Snake's badass.
I know.
Blazing 5-0?
Wait, is it?
Who's men's?
Not mine, bro. Hey, is this 302 Coyotes I spy?
I had the D.
S550? If I'm gonna get a S550, I think I wanna get silver again. Oh, you needed them.
Alex himself.
Stock.
Yeah.
Follow Danny on YouTube. Tag it. How's it going? Nice, thank you. That's what's up. Danny, I think it's gonna be me.
3-2-0. I got a ticket.
Did you get a ticket?
You got a ticket.
No way.
We're running the red light.
No. What are they doing?
We're going to Coyotes. Yeah.
I gave him my ticket. I gave him my ticket because I didn't want to go. It was my ticket.
Very soon we're going to be leaving here.
It was my ticket, but I just gave it to him.
Stay tuned. Thank you.
What is it?
Go record it.
Yeah. It sounds good. Wait,
I'm about to turn his on too right now.
Saw that old man?
wait, what exhaust is it?
Rush exhaust, lots of headers, no resonators.
It has long tubes? With no resonators?
No resonators.
Yeah.
Hey, up 150 roll? Nah.
Launch control.
Any day now, Alex. There we go.
Made it to the next spot. Tired, but we caught up with the group now. So we're headed to Double T Ranch, which I don't know what that is yet, but we'll find out. Where's Chris SVT? I'm tired, guys. Where's Chris SVT? Oh, they're there. Spotted.
Yeah. Oh, it's like not a straight shirt?
Yeah. Let me see. Put that in your shirt.
Where are we at?
So we're at Casa de Fruta getting some chicken nuggets because
Chicken tender strips.
Oh, chicken strips. Chicken strips. Then we're gonna head out to Double Ranch T, right?
Yeah.
Something like that.
No, triple, double.
Triple, double, triple, 6,000.
C Ranch.
C Ranch T. Bunch of cars out there.
Yeah, we didn't park with
Any
them.
over there?
No, not yet.
Gotta stand on top of here and zoom in. Well, as long as you can see the shape.
You can see a little bit. Everyone's already leaving? Or Christina SVT. Christina SVT. Christina SVT.
You smacked your face into my food.
What's up, dude?
So how's the day going for you?
It's going good, man. I'm tired though, to be honest. Didn't get much sleep last night, but you know, it's all worth it for the passion of Mustangs. You know?
Damn, yup.
Okay, we got nickel nips with Chris SVT and Ish SVT.
And these aren't good. I'm throwing every one of these at Alex. Alex said that we can eat the wax. So.
Right, just ingest all of it.
I love it.
Yeah.
Every ounce.
Good, trust.
Where did she get that?
What?
This? And you keep it in your mouth?
Yeah, and they spit out.
What I do is now.
Well, you can squeeze it, like chew on it, and some juice will come out. But then keep
okay.
doing that. So we made it to. We were gonna go cruise with the Mustangs, but I think we're just gonna do a little own thing, take our time. But there's like a little jump pad, so I want to try this thing. Oh, doctor, he got it. I just want to swing on
This thing is low. That thing is way too low.
Alrighty, guys, we are recording live from
Hey, bro, content stealing.
Oh, sorry.
Wait 5 minutes. No, I'm playing. Hey, but Double Ranch T or Double T Ranch?
Double T Ranch.
Got it. All right, so
Alright, we're checking out the event now. Alright, Chris, update the vlog.
update it. You just ate something. Freaking hot dogs and some pickles.
So we made it to the event. It's whack. What do you think?
What?
This is kind of.
Well, I mean, it's like not car related, but it's dope.
Show you guys some of the things, and then we'll probably head home.
Yes, sir.
Alright, guys, so me and Chris, did you win anything?
No, I didn't win nothing, bro.
Me and Ish actually won a few things. Well, I won a few things. So I have this American Muscle graphics, which I probably won't put on my car, so I probably want to raffle it off to one of you guys. Like, do a little giveaway. I mean, it's not much.
Giveaway, not raffle. You're famous.
I mean, if someone wants it signed, I can definitely sign it, but I don't think it's that important.
Well, because technically you can't really sign the actual sticker.
Yeah, you can sign the back, like, somewhere else. Like, not the actual sticker.
Or you could send them a picture of your car with the signature or something.
Something like that.
That'd be dope.
A sticker, too.
Yeah, oh, a sticker and sign the sticker or
so
something.
I'll get more details about that later in this video. But then we won a windshield kit called Glass Parency. That's basically a ceramic coating for your windshield. So the benefits: water will bead, reduces night glare, which is kind of cool. Treated glass will become resistant to water stains, and vision improves during inclement weather. So we'll put that on the Termi. But we're gonna be headed home right now, so I don't know when I'm gonna end it, but we'll just take you guys along, and Chris SCT will come with us.
Yup. Wait, hold on, let's see.
Oh, you wanna check
Let's
it
install it.
out? Okay. So you do Plan B.
So it's on the window. So
Oh, I think you did a good job.
yeah, it's on it. Nah, but it comes with like little. Nah, done for that.
And then you
That
have this.
was weird. Never mind. So everyone left us behind. There was like a bunch of stings when we got here, and now they're just our 3 stings, which is cool, I guess.
But I mean, what do you think of the event? I thought the event was like could have been better.
I mean, yeah, it was just like off topic, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But it was good.
Of course, it's in the bag, but for me, it's not my cup of
Yeah,
tea.
people that used to like listen to this, you know.
Yeah, like, it's not my thing, but the racing, we got a 20-year-old going on, and yeah. Chris ST, you take it away.
I don't know what else to say, so yeah, like Alex said, we'll continue it.
Yeah. Do you watch it?
Yeah, I watched it.
Oh, no way. That's what's up. Thank you. Yeah, we went to San Jose today. I'm trying to set up.
Yeah, he probably didn't really need that.